I'm gonna show you how to delete your DeepSeek account in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So the process is very simple. All you need to do is log into your DeepSeek account, and once you're here, you need to go to your profile at the bottom left, then go to settings, then go to profile, and at the bottom you will see this option to delete your account. You just need to click this button and this window will pop up. You just need to type right here delete my account and then click this button for confirmation. Taking count that if you have remaining balance in your account, you will lose it. So if you still want to delete it, you just need to click this button and you will no longer have access to DeepSeek unless you create another account. In my case, I'm not gonna do it, but that's the process you need to follow if you want to delete your account. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.